Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's podcast, we're going to discuss an important support role in offices and organizations, the office boy. An office boy provides day-to-day support to office employees and helps keep routine office activities running smoothly. But what exactly does an office boy do? What are the roles and responsibilities? What are the daily duties? And what skills and qualities are required? Let's understand everything in simple language. First, let's understand what is an office boy. An office boy is an office support employee who performs various routine tasks that help employees, departments, and visitors with day-to-day office activities. In simple words, an office boy helps with documents, photocopying, filing, refreshments, office errands, basic workplace support, and other routine tasks assigned by the organization. The exact duties depend on the company and office environment. Now let's talk about the roles and responsibilities of an office boy. One of the main responsibilities is providing general office support. The office boy assists employees and departments with routine tasks required for smooth daily operations. Another important responsibility is handling documents. They may photocopy, scan, print, distribute, collect, and organize documents according to instructions. Another major duty is delivering documents and files. They may move documents between departments, meeting rooms, reception areas, or other authorized locations. Another important responsibility is serving tea, coffee, water, and refreshments. Depending on the workplace, they may arrange refreshments for employees, meetings, guests, and visitors. Another duty is supporting meeting arrangements. They may prepare meeting rooms, arrange chairs, provide water or refreshments, and ensure that required materials are available. Another important responsibility is maintaining basic office cleanliness and organization. They may help keep common areas, meeting rooms, pantry areas, and work support spaces organized according to workplace procedures. Another duty is handling office errands. They may be asked to collect or deliver documents, stationery, parcels, or other office materials. Another important responsibility is supporting stationery management. They may help distribute stationery items such as paper, files, pens, envelopes, and other office supplies. Another duty is receiving and distributing parcels. They may collect incoming packages and deliver them to the appropriate employee or department. Another important responsibility is assisting visitors and employees. They may guide visitors to the appropriate office or provide basic assistance according to company procedures. Another duty is supporting administrative staff. They may assist receptionists, administrative officers, HR staff, accountants, or other employees with routine office tasks. Now let's discuss the daily work of an office boy. A typical day may begin by checking the office, preparing meeting areas, arranging basic supplies, and completing tasks assigned by the administrative or office management team. During the day, the office boy may handle photocopying, printing, document delivery, refreshments, stationery distribution, parcel handling, and other office errands. They may also assist employees during meetings and help maintain common office areas. At the end of the day, they may organize meeting rooms, return materials to their proper places, check basic office requirements, and complete pending support tasks. The exact routine depends on the organization and workplace. Now let's talk about the skills required to become an office boy. The first important skill is basic communication. An office boy needs to communicate politely with employees, visitors, supervisors, and other staff members. The second important skill is basic reading and writing. This can help with documents, labels, instructions, registers, and routine office tasks. Another useful skill is basic computer knowledge. Some workplaces may require simple printing, scanning, photocopying, or basic computer-related tasks. Another important skill is time management. An office boy may receive several tasks from different employees and needs to complete them in the appropriate order. Organization skills are also useful for handling documents, stationery, files, and office materials. Another important skill is attention to detail, especially when delivering documents or completing instructions. Now let's discuss the qualities of a good office boy. A good office boy should be punctual, responsible, polite, hardworking, honest, reliable, disciplined, and helpful. Another important quality is professional behavior. The office boy interacts with employees, managers, customers, and visitors, so respectful communication is important. Confidentiality is also important. Office support employees may come across documents or information that should not be shared with others. Another quality is willingness to help. The role often involves supporting different departments and handling changing tasks during the day. Patience is also useful when dealing with multiple requests. Another important quality is trustworthiness, particularly when handling documents, parcels, keys, or office materials. Now let's talk about qualification and eligibility. Requirements vary from company to company. Many office boy positions may accept candidates with a basic school-level qualification, while some employers may prefer candidates with higher secondary education. Basic communication skills, physical fitness for routine office support tasks, punctuality, and a willingness to learn can be useful. Previous experience in office support, housekeeping, hospitality, or similar service roles can be an advantage, but some employers may provide on-the-job training. Now let's look at some common workplaces for office boys. They can work in corporate offices, government offices, schools, colleges, hospitals, banks, hotels, factories, small businesses, law offices, real estate companies, and other organizations. Now let's discuss the career path of an office boy. With experience and additional skills, an office boy may progress into positions such as office assistant, administrative assistant, receptionist, office executive, administrative executive, or other support and administrative roles, depending on qualifications and opportunities. Developing skills in computer applications, office administration, communication, documentation, customer service, and basic administrative work can support career growth. Before applying for an office boy position, always check the specific job description. Pay attention to the working hours, duties, physical requirements, office location, salary, additional errands, document handling responsibilities, and other job conditions. Let's quickly summarize today's topic. An office boy supports daily office operations through document handling, printing and photocopying, refreshments, meeting room support, stationery distribution, parcel handling, office errands, and general administrative assistance. Important skills include basic communication, reading and writing, time management, organization, basic computer knowledge, and attention to detail. Important qualities include punctuality, responsibility, politeness, honesty, discipline, reliability, helpfulness, confidentiality, and professionalism. For people looking for an entry-level opportunity in office support and administration, an office boy position can provide practical workplace experience and opportunities to develop additional administrative skills. That's all for today's podcast. I hope this explanation helped you understand the office boy job description, roles, responsibilities, duties, skills, and qualities. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.